Is your desktop acting up? If you're in Sanibel, Florida, we're here to help. Call 239-421-8187 or visit SanibelDesktopRepairService.com today for assistance. Our expert team provides professional desktop repair services for homes and offices in Sanibel, ensuring your devices are in capable hands. No need to disconnect your setup. We offer on-site repairs at your home or office, making the process hassle-free and convenient. Our comprehensive services cover hardware repairs and upgrades, software installation and troubleshooting, virus removal and system optimization, and data recovery solutions. Choose us for local and reliable service in Sanibel, Florida. We offer affordable pricing options and fast turnaround times to get you back up and running quickly. Concerned about repair costs? Get a free quote today. Call 239-421-8187 for your Sanibel desktop repair service quote and see how affordable we are. We believe in transparent pricing with no hidden fees. Visit SanibelDesktopRepairService.com for clear and honest cost details. We work around your schedule, offering flexible appointment times to ensure your convenience. Your security and privacy are our top priorities. We handle every repair with the utmost care to protect your data. Join the many satisfied customers in Sanibel who trust us with their desktop repairs. Experience our reliable service for yourself. Ready to get your desktop fixed? Call now or visit our website for a fast solution. Dial 239-421-8187 or visit Sanibel Desktop Repair Service. Don't wait any longer. Enjoy fast, affordable, and reliable desktop repair service in Sanibel. Call 239-421-8187 now.